Go check this out, everyone. We have this BOSE headphones. BOSE headphones. Check this out, everyone. I don't know what model is it. It's an R. It's an L. It's an R. Look at this, everyone. It's a Bluetooth headphones. Bluetooth headphones. And that's cheap. That costs like only $10, I guess. See, it's Bluetooth. Yeah. It doesn't turn on, everyone. So, subscribe. Don't forget. And hey, guys. So, yes. Yeah. So, pretty sure I hope you enjoyed this video, man. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and help me make this video famous, I guess. I don't care anyways. So that's all, you guys. Don't forget. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.